You know what's wild, man? You show up at SEMA and you see great friends, great products that you know and trust, like KBS Coatings. We've used them a number of times in the shop and in our own builds. They have amazing products like tank sealer, rust seal, where you can have a rusty rear end, knock off the dirt debris, throw on a little of that black, and it's self-leveling, so all of a sudden you get this finish that's like, man, it looks like show quality. It looks like, you put a lot of effort, a lot of work, but really, you just brushed it on. But something new in their booth this time around is something called their clear diamond finish. So we've all learned to appreciate metalwork. And over the years, a lot of people have wanted to show off some of their metalwork on their cars and their build. But how do you show off raw metal, but yet still protect it from the elements? That's where this diamond comes in at. And it's called clear diamond finish. But you can see all the metalwork, right? It's all evident. It's all, right here, but it's also protected. It's got like a clear coat. Now you can brush it, you can roll it on, you can spray it on, obviously. I love the raw metal look. I think with something like this product, it's gonna become a lot more popular. So check it out, KBS Coatings. It's our diamond clear finish. Pretty cool stuff.